Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning with a Difference. School morning assembly anchoring script for World Soil Day, which is on 5th of September. Soil. Soil is not just dirt, but a valuable resource that we should protect for future generations. Let's celebrate the things that hold the roots of our lives. Celebrate soil. And my name is Meenakshi, student of class 8, presenting today's morning assembly on the occasion of World Soil Day. Our soil is facing numerous challenges, including degradation, erosion, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Let's we all take part in the World Soil Day celebration, and we can let everyone know the importance of soil health. We thank you, Lord, for the gift of soil. And with this, let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer. So, everybody, join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer, India is our motherland. Pledge is a powerful way to encourage ourselves to commit to positive actions and behaviors towards our country and its people. And with this, let us take pledge. And I invite on stage Divya from class 8 for pledge. And after pledge, thank you very much, Divya. Dear friends, this day is a unique global platform that not only celebrates soils but also empowers and engages citizens around the world to improve soil health. And it's time to learn some lessons through today's thought. And I invite on stage Vinay from class 8 to share today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vinay. Thought of the day is a nation that destroys its soils destroys itself. Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Vinay. Daily News gives accurate information about the recent happenings across the world. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Let's get know today's news with Bhavik from class 8. And thank you very much, Bhavik, for giving us today's news update. World Soil Day was established in the year 2013 by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Until the date, we are celebrating this. Why is soil important? Why do we celebrate World Soil Day? Let us know more about this year's theme, and I invite on stage Dave from class 8 to deliver a speech. And thank you very much, Dev. There are no doubt countless wonders yet to be discovered right under our feet. On the occasion of World Soil Day, let's know some interesting facts about soil. And I invite on stage Shaurya from class 8 to share some interesting facts on soil with us. And after sharing facts on soil, here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you for your cooperation. Have a great day ahead.